I make over $50,000 per week with my dropshipping store, and in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it. You will see my product, my website, my ads, and all the juicy secrets that most people would hide. By the way, who even am I? My name is Samuel Ecom. I just turned 24 last week and I am what's called a dropshipping millionaire. I've been doing this for 4 years with a lot of ups and downs, but I can say with confidence that I now have one of the most solid dropshipping strategies in the game. Let me explain to you how you can make money like this yourself with this new dropshipping strategy. It's super simple. There are 3 pillars of a dropshipping business. First, you need a product to sell. You can easily look at what somebody else is already selling and then just sell the same product. Second, you need a good looking website, and this is where my secret dropshipping strategy comes in, but more on that later. And third, you need to run Facebook ads so you can get some traffic to your store so 50-year-old women can throw their money at you. Those are the 3 main things you need to focus on when building out your dropshipping business. And if you follow along closely, you will be hitting 10K profit per month in no time. I know I make it sound really easy, but please let me just show you how I do it so you can copy this strategy and do it for yourself. There are 2 ways of finding a product to sell. One way will cost you some money and the other one is totally free. Let's start with the paid method, which is to use a spy tool such as Miniapp. Sort by 100 likes minimum and select the Ecom platform Shopify. Now you will see a bunch of products that are already selling for other people. Now to choose a good product from all of those, make sure you follow these 3 criteria. First, make sure the product solves a super common problem in a super easy way. Second, make sure it's cheap. And the third one is optional, but if you find a product in the health and beauty niche, you will make it 10 times easier for you to find a winning product. Now the second product research method is also really good and it's free. It's super simple. I just go to my Facebook feed and I scroll through the ads. This works really well to find the most relevant ads because they're coming straight from your Facebook feed being advertised while you're looking at it. Whenever you then come across a dropshipping ad, click on that ad and go through the entire checkout process without buying, of course. By doing this, Facebook will then show you way more dropshipping ads. And that is how I found this product. Not only did this ad have a lot of likes, but the video itself also looked really nice. You can now have super realistic looking eyebrows with this product, and as you can see by the video, it's even waterproof. Because right now it's Q4, that means there are a lot of holidays around the corner, and that means that women are already starting to think how they can transform their faces for those Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas and New Year's Eve parties. So the ad has a lot of likes, the product solves a massive pain point in a super easy way, and the timing is absolutely perfect. So I immediately hopped on this product. I built out a crazy nice looking website, and no, it was not on Shopify. Not on Shopify, but I thought dropshipping always happened on Shopify. That is the outdated way of doing things. If you want to succeed with dropshipping in 2023, you absolutely have to build out sales funnels. I use Funnelish for that, but you can also use ClickFunnels or anything else. It still integrates very easily into your Shopify store, but instead of having a simple ass product page like every other dropshipper out there, we have a completely custom sales funnel. And before you start panicking because you don't know how Funnelish works and what it even is, I have my exact funnel template, the one that I used for this product, in the description below so you can use it completely for free. All you have to do is click that link and it'll be imported into your Funnelish account immediately. So I already did the work for you. But the reason we use Funnelish, guys, is because first of all, we can completely customize the entire product page to our likings. That means our conversion rates will be higher, which means we will find winners more quickly, which means we will make more money. And second, nobody can just copy paste your product pages like they can do on Shopify. That means you will have less competition, you will be able to scale your winners for much longer, and that again means more money, baby. So this is how we build out our sales funnel on Funnelish for this product. I just took my Funnelish template as I always do and I changed everything up to match the product that I'm selling. I created a custom logo specifically for this product so I look like the main brand selling this product. The pictures I just found on my competitors page. I added some relevant testimonials and an FAQ section, and that's it. Then if we take a look at the checkout page, I added 3 bundle deals. This way customers are enticed to buy not just 1, but 2 or 3 pieces. And then lastly, I added this express priority shipping option, which is just $5 of pure profit when a customer adds this to their order. Do you see the difference here between Shopify and Funnelish? Do you see how much money you're leaving on the table by not using a funnel like this? this. By the way, if you're still in doubt about this funnel thing, then check out the free full course I did on my entire funnel dropshipping strategy below. I go over everything in much more detail, and yeah, it's free, so have fun with that. But after I built a website for this product, it was time to run the ads. Facebook ads still is the #1 way to get traffic to your dropshipping stores. I don't care what anyone says about TikTok organic or TikTok ads or any other. The demographic on Facebook are older people with money. That is exactly the audience you need to scale your dropshipping products to 50K a week or more. So how do I set up my Facebook ads? Super simple. I set up a $100 CBO campaign, objective sales of course. Then in the ad set I select nothing. No interest, no genders. And it's not because I don't believe that there are only 2 genders. No, we just want to give Facebook as much room to breathe as we can. We only select the country that we're targeting, which in this case was the Netherlands and Belgium. For the placements, again, I leave it on the default setting, which is all placements. Then for the ads, I just copied my competitors' ads and added a Dutch text-to-speech or subtitles to make them look local and native.
Teken realistische haarachtige streken in seconden.
You can easily do this yourself using a video editing software like Veed.io or CapCut. Just make sure you have 2 or 3 videos in there. And for the ad copy, I just made up something super short and simple, like the easiest way for full and sexy eyebrows that last the entire day. Don't overthink the ad copy, just make sure it is short, sweet and simple. Your ad video itself is usually what does the heavy lifting. Then I clicked on publish, and that's all I do to set up my testing campaigns. Now, if you want a full video on how I run my Facebook ads, as well as how and when I scale them, then check out this video which I recently uploaded. Now, before you think it's as easy as just repeating what I showed you once, let me just tell you that it is super unlikely that your first product you test is going to be a winner. Even with the best looking funnel or the best Facebook ad strategy, it is still a numbers game. So you have to test at least 10, 20 or maybe even 30 products before you will find your first winner. But once you find your first winner, you will be able to completely change your life with that. As you'll not only make your first 10, 20, 30, maybe even 50K in profit, you will also start to understand what works and what doesn't. With that knowledge, you will then be able to find winning products much faster. Then combining your first profits with your knowledge, you will be able to build out a team and fully automate your dropshipping business. This way you don't have to do all of the hands-on tasks of dropshipping anymore, such as building the funnels, creating the ads and stuff like that. You'll have your team manage all of that, and you just have to think of how you can scale your business to the next level. Now, as I said earlier, I recently dropped a free course on my entire funnel dropshipping strategy. And in that course, I literally show you how you can start your dropshipping business from zero, find your first winner, and even how to build out your dropshipping team. So for your own sake, check it out, as this is probably gonna be the most valuable course you've ever seen on dropshipping. And if you like the video or the course, then please let me know. You can always send me a message on IG at Ecom. Now I'll see you in the next one.